So guys, on this video today, it's just what we ate for a week or so. I skipped some days, so I won't really know which day was this or that. But yeah, this is what we ate for a week, and this here is mboga kienyeji, managu and spinach mix. I usually put tomatoes if we don't have any protein that we are eating with. So this we are just eating like this with some ugali. That's why I added tomatoes. But if we have meat or eggs or any other protein, I don't add tomatoes in my greens. I just cook it like that and we eat it like that. But most of the times we don't eat with any proteins. We eat like that, and my son loves it so much.
Back and forth and through the sky, but I'd rather go back to the things I know, where the sun shines down and the night's not cold. Cause you are playing with my heart, I don't know why. Yo, man, he is not the guy for you. We know it's true, you can do so much better. So come on over, baby, text him back a secret. You can take a rest, girl, you can let your head down. You can let to me if you really wanted to. You can take a rest, girl, you can let your head down. Can you kill me softly? Won't you, won't you? She don't like her boyfriend.
This is like a day later, and I was frying a githeri. I came from shags with maize from our shamba, so I made githeri, but it wasn't as sweet as I expected it to be, because the beans that I used, it was eaten by weevil, so it wasn't as good as I expected it to be. Yeah, so the day that we make githeri, I add potatoes because of my son, so that it can be thick for him to be able to eat. Again, he doesn't know how to chew. He doesn't chew his food. So like a githeri, it will be difficult for him eating. That's why you'll see me cooking some rice. I made some rice because of him, but we ended up eating rice with githeri, same for us too.
It's giving me a definite glare. Surely all this shimmer will be catching your stare. Me and my girls blind eyes as we pull up unaware. How about the whips, the little go click. Camera flashes, we take pic after pic. Sip on some neck, then rock our hips. That is our favorite wicked music. And you enter in and we get to whispering. You're the center of attention. Cause I heard you be at this business party, so I got all dressed up so you could spot me. Know you're not checking for just anybody, but you want me and all that I embody. So I RSVP to the business party. Got all dressed up so you could spot me. Know you're not checking for just anybody. You want me and everything that I embody.
So guys, in most of my foods, my most spices are just Rico cube, and then the other cube, I think it's called Maggi cube, and then the powder that I'm putting, it's just a coriander. It's coriander powder and cumin. Yeah, so those are the only spices with a bit of salt.
You'll be at this business party, so I got all dressed up so you could spot me. No, you're not checking for just anybody, but you want me and all that I embody. So I RSVP to the business party. Got all dressed up so you could spot me. No, you're not checking for just anybody. You want me and everything that I embody.
This is in the morning and I'm making breakfast for my son because he refused to eat the leftovers from the dinner, so I just decided to make him something fresh. That day evening, this is our dinner, just yellow beans with potatoes inside, carrots and rice for dinner. Most of my stews I usually add potatoes. I love potatoes so much because of my kid. We eat with him the same food, so that's why I usually put that to make the soup thicker for him to enjoy. I love hot ugali like this. So if it remains, I never eat it in the morning, and I don't like cold ugali. I like it hot like that. So this day we are having it with kienyeji and some eggs. You can see my kienyeji today, I did not add tomatoes because we are having it with eggs. But the person the kibandaski person, did not wash the veggies vizuri, so it had some changa inside. So guys, this is the next day, dinner for the next day, and it's just my sister-in-law making the pilau. So guys, I do not have a meal plan table, so whatever I've eaten this week, it's not the same that I'm going to eat next week. Yani, I don't have a meal table. So you might find next week I'm changing something like that. Yeah, I'm not that person for meal tables. Even if I try and make one, I don't think I'll be following, because whatever I feel like eating that day is what I'll try and make, not whatever is on the table. So yeah, as we come to the end of the video, if you have watched to this far, thank you so much, and thank you for the new subscribers. I really appreciate it. And for the Premier Gang, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. Yes, so until next time, bye bye. But watch to the end, don't stop here. So I got all